In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add percentage format in Notion. If you're looking to represent your data as percentages in Notion, you're in the right place. This feature is handy for tracking progress, calculating scores, or displaying any numerical data that makes more sense as a percentage. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to your homepage. This is the main hub where all your pages and workspaces live, and you can find it on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of your pages. Click on the specific page you want to work with. This is where you plan to add or modify data to have it displayed in a percentage format. Once you're inside the page, look for the column where your numerical data is stored. You'll need to set this column to display percentages. To begin, click on the number field of your data entry. This action will open up additional options for formatting the data. Next, you'll find an option called Edit Property. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can change the settings for how your data is displayed. Under Edit Property, you'll see a menu item named Number Format. This option will allow you to choose different ways to display your numerical data. Now, from the Number Format menu, you'll see various formatting options. Scroll through these options until you find %. Click on this and your data will automatically change to display as a percentage. It's as simple as that. With these steps, you've successfully set the percentage format for your data in Notion. Just a quick tip. When entering your data, remember that Notion expects the input as a decimal to convert it to a percentage. So, for example, if you want to display 50%, you should enter 0.5, not 50. This ensures your data is represented accurately in percentage terms. And there you have it. You've learned how to format your numbers as percentages in Notion. This formatting is a great way to add clarity and context to your data, making it easier to interpret and analyze at a glance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your Notion experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out more of our guides. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!